In a downtown Toronto emergency department, staff are at the ready.
Michelle has notified the team leader. We've called 5555 for a protected code blue.
Inside Mount Sinai Hospital, they're practicing what's known as a protected code blue.
Does anyone have their gowns?
Yeah.
Dr. Catherine Varner leads the response.
So now across the world, patients are coming into emergency departments in acute respiratory distress. When we're talking about a protected code blue, we're talking about a scenario where a patient is going to need additional supports to help them breathe that include putting a breathing tube down their throat.
He recognizes the patient is at risk for rapid deterioration and calls for help.
Can I get a protected code blue, please?
In running these rehearsals, Canadian health workers have time to practice. Those in hard-hit New York did not, and many workers became infected. What's happening here at Toronto's Mount Sinai is actually being repeated in hospitals right across the country, big and small, as healthcare workers inside try to get ready for the wave they know is coming.
So what's everyone going to be wearing now?
So we're going to do a 95, we're going to do a face shield, we're going to do a gown.
When doing this on a real COVID patient, they use even more protective gear. But with it in short supply, they're using practice gear. In a real scenario, the whole room could be contaminated.
Because when you're putting a tube in their throat, there's the risk of what's called aerosolizing the virus, meaning the virus can very quickly end up all over the room and actually stay in the room for many hours.
When it's over, they carefully strip away the equipment, ready for the next patient.
We've had more time to practice looking after these patients in our emergency departments such that we can be ready for when the patients are actually coming in really sick, really unwell, and needing our care, but we can provide our care in a way that's safe to us.
In Ontario, that wave may now just be days away.
We have everything in here that we need to dock.
The teams inside ramping up for it. David Common, CBC News, Toronto.